Okay guys, so it's happening again. So I made a video some couple of months ago telling you platforms that people that are into AI training jobs actually said pays them, and one of those platforms is hiring again massively this time. They actually hired massively sometime in January, but this time around they are back again and they are looking for a lot of people for so many positions. So I just finished making my own applications and I thought, why not share with my people so you guys can take advantage of this and make application and hopefully it will work for you. So I'm going to share this platform and show you the available jobs, and I'm also going to show you how to apply, like the processes it took me, so you'll be able to know what to expect and how to prepare yourself before you make your application. So if this is something you're interested in, please don't fail to like and subscribe to be a part of our growing community. So as you can see, they have a lot of jobs and the date of these jobs has been updated, and as you can see, this one is for 4th of May. All of them, almost all of them. This one is for 3rd and this one is for 2nd of May. So they started updating these jobs this month. So for this, you see they are looking for video related professionals for AI training. Then this one is energy compliance attorney. Here are the required skill you should have for this one. It's going to pay you $20 to $70 per hour. This one is going to pay you $100 to $135 per hour. This one is senior game A tester. It's going to pay you $25 to $50 per hour. This one is electronics expert, design spark. This one is electronics experts. They are just different categories of electronic experts. So this one is energy and regulatory attorney, and so much more here. So for the people that are always watching my videos, this particular one is one you may be interested in. So, and that is AI evaluation specialist. So you don't really need much. They're going to pay you $22 to $70 per hour. Now this is for UI UX designer, and this is the one I applied to, and it's going to pay $22 to $70 per hour. So for the interest of this video, there are other ones like people that are into core tech, like full stack developers. You have software developers, data protection officers, and a lot more here. Mobile app developers. They actually started updating this towards the end of April, as you can see here. Even people that are into health related fields like nursing specialists, and also people that are into legal fields, that you can check out for the jobs here. So this is for people in Nigeria. If you're a Yoruba language expert, you might want to check out this one to see if it will work for you. You'll be required to have skills like linguistics and editing and translating. So to learn more, you're going to open here and you can see it's going to pay you $40 to $95 per hour, which is quite high. So here are the description of the job. You have to be able to translate and localize written content from English to Yoruba and vice versa. So this is a very good one for Nigerians that are Yoruba speaking and can also speak English. So you have to have this in mind and make your application. The pay is quite good, $40 to $95 per hour, so you can know if it's going to work for you. So you can go down to check for others to know the ones that are in your field or the ones that you can do that will probably work for you. So if you study microbiology, you can also check out this one. So for the interest of this video, we're going to check out the ones that the one I told you about that you can probably check out to apply to, so you know if it's going to work for you, and that is AI evaluation specialist. So if you click here where it says apply, you can see the job description here. Everything is remote. Your key responsibilities will be to review and critically assess AI generated app outputs for quality, clarity, usability, and overall user experience. Then you identify inconsistencies, weaknesses, and improve opportunities across diverse content types. Check it out and make your application. So for people that are into UX UI design, if you have such skill, you can check here where it says apply. Then you can see the information, the key responsibilities. This one is similar to the one I just showed you, but the required skills are different. So you see, you have to have experience with AI because that is the most needed skill here. So you can get started with this and hopefully it's going to work for you. So the process you have to take for you to get started is you're going to make your application here where it says apply now. You input your name, your last name, your email address, then your phone number, and your LinkedIn URL. What it means is that you must have a LinkedIn account to be able to get started making your application, and then you upload your resume. Now you need a resume that is up to date and that has everything that is required of you to have based on the job description as stated here. So but if you don't know anyhow to go about this, I have prepared a 12 in one job application bundle that has everything you need, that is beginner friendly. All you have to do is just to tweak it to suit the job you're applying to. Make sure you have a customized resume for each job application you're making, so you don't use a generic resume to make application. That way you might not really stand the chance. So if you're interested to use it, I have a lot of positive reviews about it from people that have actually used it. You may want to grab one with the link in the description of this video. And if you're interested in learning UX design, I have partnered with ISDF, which is Interaction Design Foundation, which is #1 when it comes to design school online, where you can learn design from experts in the field, people that are actually doing the job. The best part is they're going to teach you in-demand skill when it comes to the industry, not a random thing that boot camps teach and when you come out you get stranded. So you're going to learn a high value skill that will pay you a lot of money once you start working in the field. So if you're interested, you might want to get started with the link in the description of this video, so you have that freedom to work remotely and earn a lot of money doing that, even building your personal brand around this skill. So if you're interested, do well to check out these links. So that being said, once you have finished making this application and submitted your resume, you click next. For next, you're going to be asked to do an interview with their AI bot that's going to, ask you some questions to get to know you and know what you can do for you to qualify to do this job. So what you have to do is just make sure you have a quiet environment, you have an internet connection, you have a laptop or a smartphone. I don't really know how that will work, but I use the laptop to do the interview. So you will need a laptop to be able to do the interview, and in some cases they will need you to have a camera. Like your laptop's camera must be active so they know what you're doing and they can see your face, and you're going to be answering without having to look around, stuff like that. So you just have to have that in mind, and they're going to ask you questions based on the skill you filled out that you have. So you don't need to lie about the skill you don't have. So you just have to make sure you put yourself together and be ready for that interview. Find a quiet environment so that way you'll be able to listen properly, hear what you are expected to hear, and say what they can hear from their own end. So that is the process you're going to take. And once you're done, if you're successful, you're going to be receiving an email to that effect, because they will have to review everything from your application to your interview to know if you're good for the job. And once your everything is okay, then they will pair you to the available jobs they have based on your application. That is basically how these things work. So if you're interested, you might want to check out Micro One and get started working with them, because the name of the platform is Micro One. And if you want to learn other remote jobs you might want to do, especially those in Africa and even those that are not in Africa, you might want to check out these videos showing on your screen. If you found value so far, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your support so far. Really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.